Hello friends, in front of me Miss Janvi ji is sitting who cleared her CA Inter July 21 exam with flying colors. Now she is in CA final. She secured one of the highest marks in FM and Eco 74. She took my pen drive online classes and definitely she had done a commendable achievement by scoring such a good marks. Her concept is really very clear. She wants to enter into finance career. She wants to make career in finance. She is super duper excited to enter the world of finance and join investment banking firm where one gets 50,000 per month stipend in articleship, in industrial training, in Credit Suisse, Barclays, HSBC, companies like Goldman Sachs and Nomura is rarely waiting to hire such candidate whose knowledge in finance is extraordinary. So we will want to ask Janvi how she able to manage such a good marks in FM and Eco, what preparation strategies she followed, and how can she guide other persons who are afraid of FM Eco. Please go ahead, Ms. Janvi, so that others can also be motivated by your motivation.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I would suggest all the students that the guidance that is given by Aditya Jain sir is best. So, as per his guidance, I just studied well and revised the concepts repeatedly and continuously so that the concept gets settled in our mind. And I am very blessed to have such a mentor like Aditya Jain sir.
Thank you so much, Janvi. And what notes you referred, was the note self-sufficient so that student could easily understand the notes? You faced no problem in the notes which I have given you. It was self-explanatory. It was self-sufficient. It was enough. So how was your paper? When you have attempted the paper, when you have seen your examination paper, what was the feeling? Oh, I know all the questions and I can do it very well in exam. That was the feeling, or the nervousness was there? Please let me know that also.
Sir, first of all, the notes that are provided by you are just awesome. We don't need to prefer anything else. And when I opened my examination paper, first of all, I was very nervous. So when I opened the paper, so I was damn excited because everything was seen and everything was well practiced. I was quite satisfied that I could attempt and I could score good marks in this. So I was quite confident when I have seen the paper.
Very good. So, Janvi, many students wants your help in the study guidance, and now you are in finalist. So, will you be able to help them in a group so that they don't get misguided? Mental pressure is so much in CA that they always go in negative direction. So, what is the role of mental health in CA preparation? Should we be positive? Should we be optimistic? And should we be confident about our exam? Or should we go into negative direction? And definitely we find no guidance, no approach, no planning, and definitely then we blame others that CA is tough, CA is this, CA is that. So mental preparation is how much role plays in overall CA preparation.
We should never get nervous. We should be confident and we should always be ready for all the circumstances. And I am also available and I am always available for all the juniors, and whoever wants my help can
Get
contact
connected.
me and
We'll
I
make a group
will
and
help.
definitely you can ask any guidance from Miss Janvi. Thank you so much, Janvi, for coming and giving your valuable time. I wish that you be giving one more interview whenever you will scoring good marks in SFM also in final, and I'm looking forward to meet you again, and I'm sure that you will definitely score exemption in SFM, and many of our students also scored 100% marks in SFM. So you can imagine the toughest course of the world scoring 100% marks. You can imagine how well prepared he is so that 100% marks can also be achieved in CA. And also in your attempt, one of our students scored rank 1 in CA inter exam. So really tremendous good results are coming. and this is all because of your hard work. Definitely guidance plays a role, and we are guiding you all in the best possible manner. Thank you so much, Miss Janvi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.